Welcome to our channel.
Hi friends, are you ready for a splashy new word? Today's word is gush. Can you say it with me? G U S H. Gush. Meaning, to gush means to flow out quickly and in large amounts, like water or excitement. Here's how we use it in a sentence. Water gushed from the fountain after the rain. Fun fact. When people are very excited or happy, they can gush about it, just like water. Can you gush? Pretend your arms are water and flow them around. Thanks for gushing through today's word. Keep learning, keep moving, and keep on gushing. See you next time.
Thanks for watching.